Hey traders, welcome back to another trading session with Forex Waves. Today is 4th of February. Yesterday I have given you a trade where we were expecting the market to correct itself. However, the market didn't go as planned and it went up, hit our stop loss, and now the market is still in the bullish rally. Now, what is the scenario for the day and for the coming few days? Let me just break it down for you so that we can know like what is happening in gold. Now this area in the gold market, it is a very crucial area. Now if you see, this is at its key resistance area. This is where the gold will decide whether the market will break above and go further upside, or it will go to the downside. Now breaking this key area, this zone, will be the deciding factor. So before you take any trade, watch the full video so that you can understand what needs to be done in the coming few hours. Now, this sharp fall and a good recovery, can change the perspective for both the traders. A lot of people, they think that the market can go down. A lot of people think that the market will again go up. But if you see, this deciding zone will act and tell us the clear direction of the market. Now this area, if you see 4650 area, it was a very crucial area. This was the area where it was supposed to go down. However, the market, it took a very strong support from here, and then the market started rallying to the upside. Now the next area where it can act as a or the next resistance area where it might give us some pause, it can be this level, which is 5100 or 5180 or 5200 level. This is where the next stop should be. Now whether you should trade or you should wait, so this is the big question. Now, if we see the overall trend of the market, it is still bullish. In the short term, it is bullish. In the 4 hour time frame, it is, neutral to bullish, and daily basis, it is of course on a bullish trend spree. So this is the overall health of the market. However, whenever the market falls, it of course it makes some correction so that it can prepare itself for the next fall. So this can be one scenario, or the second scenario is the market can go up. So I'll tell you exactly what can happen or what I am expecting from the market. So my trading plan or my bias will be on the selling side, because I believe this will be a higher high and then higher low and then lower high and then lower low. It can create this formation. So this is the lower high. It can act as a lower high because this, if you see this area, let me just mark it so you can. So if you see this area, okay, this can act as a very good resistance area, and we can see sellers coming in and bringing the market to the downside. However, a huge correction was expected. It was due since a long time, which the market hasn't given to us. So of course, it is not possible that the market will give us a drop of 1200 or $1300, and then all of a sudden in 1 week of the market will recover itself completely. I don't think so this is going to happen. I think a very good chances are there that the market can give us a very good fall. Now, from where you should take the trade, let me just break it for you. So this is the area where I am expecting that I can this area will be acting as a very good zone to take the trade. Let me so okay. Okay, so this is the place, and my first area of target will be 4900 to 4000, 4900 to 4920. This will be the my first target area. And let's say if we get a very good candle, if the formation of the candle is very strong and bigger wick, then we can even expect the market can even come down to 4600 level or even further below. So this is how the market can play today. Guys, make sure that the account is sufficiently funded. Small capitals don't trade on the gold. The movements are very strong. You might not survive. And for those who have good capital, try to take smaller positions. So even if some uncertainty or uncertain situation arises, you can you can hold yourself in that situation. And also try to divide the positions. Let's say if your capital allows you to take one lot, then divide the position within like three or four parts, so that you can get multiple entries at a different price levels, and you can take the profit from those area. Remember guys, each and every candle that is forming on a daily basis, it is at least $100, so it is not a small candle. If you see, $100 candle is a very good candle. Usually this kind of movement, it was not usual like 3 years ago, but now if you see this $100 and $150, it has become very normal on a daily basis. So because the range has increased, the price movement has increased, so of course you have to adjust yourself. You cannot trade with smaller capital, guys. I am telling you again and again, you can trade on forex, you can trade on some other instruments, but don't put your hands in gold if you're trading on $100 to $500 account, because this might get you in trouble. So also let me just do the proper marking for you guys, how the market can behave. So this is what I am expecting from the market. So this is how I am expecting the market to behave for the day. And let's say if we get this fall nicely, which I am expecting, then if it comes till this level 4650 or 4700 level, and due to some reason it cannot cross this level further to the upside, then you can even expect that the market can break 4300 level and can fall even further downside. So be cautious, be prepared for the adversities, because war situation is going on any given point of time. News can come in, it can give us some huge wick in the market to the downside, to the upside. So that is why I'm telling you, don't open big positions. So this is the trade that I am expecting for the day. You can also make a note of it. And guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you can take the information and apply it on your trading journey, and you can become a successful trader. And don't rush into trade, don't do gambling, don't do over trading, and don't over risk your account. Remember, staying in the game is more important than making profit. I hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching, guys.